Welcome back to Show Academy. We all know photosynthesis gives us two big treasures, glucose and oxygen. Oxygen drifts away into the air ready for us to breathe. But glucose, that's the plant's jackpot, and it doesn't waste a single drop. Let's follow the journey of glucose and see all the amazing ways a plant uses it. First, glucose is like fuel money. The plant spends some immediately in respiration, releasing energy to power its work, moving minerals into root hairs, building proteins, or helping cells grow. Without that energy, the factory of life would grind to a halt. But plants are smart savers too. They usually make far more glucose than they need right away, so they stash the extra by linking glucose molecules into long spirals called starch. Starch is neat. It doesn't dissolve in water, it doesn't mess with osmosis, and when needed, enzymes can quickly break it back down into glucose. Think of it as a rechargeable pantry. Now there's a transport challenge. Glucose is made in the leaves, but roots, flowers, and fruits need it too. So the plant repackages glucose into sucrose, a traveler sugar, and ships it through phloem tubes. Wherever it arrives, sucrose can be unwrapped back into glucose and burned for energy. Then comes construction. Plants constantly build new cells, and every cell needs strong walls. To do this, glucose is reshaped into cellulose, straight tough chains that bundle into rigid walls. Cellulose is the plant's brick and mortar. But glucose isn't just about fuel and walls. It also funds advertising. Flowers spend it on nectar, sweet drops that lure insects, bats, or birds. Pollinators collect the nectar, and in return, they carry pollen, making sexual reproduction possible. A sugary investment for the future. Glucose also turns into amino acids when combined with nitrogen from nitrate ions in the soil. These amino acids become proteins essential for growth. Without nitrates, proteins can't be made, and the plant stays weak and stunted. And glucose goes even further. It helps build chlorophyll, the green pigment itself. Chlorophyll contains nitrogen and magnesium, so plants must absorb these minerals too. Without them, leaves turn yellow, photosynthesis slows, and growth stalls. So glucose is more than sugar, it's a multitasker. Energy through respiration, storage as starch, transport as sucrose, structure as cellulose, attraction as nectar, growth as proteins, power as chlorophyll. Every molecule of glucose is a story of fuel, storage, building, transport, attraction, and growth. That's why photosynthesis isn't just chemistry. It's the art of turning sunlight into life itself. Turn knowledge into power, and power into success. Study smart. Grade up with Show Academy.